Good morning, puppies. Good morning, guys. So today we are going to Universal Studio, and this is how the weather looks. Yes, gray clouds, rain. Am I surprised? Wherever I go, the rain follows. So we are gonna go get ready. Anaya's almost ready. My husband's ready. So I am gonna go get ready now. So let's go. Guys, we are ready. And this is the fit check. So let's go. We're gonna go down, have breakfast, and then head towards the MRT station. So guys, Aniket has already gone for breakfast. I just dropped off my laundry. We have 2 pieces of complimentary laundry every day, and we're heading for breakfast now. So guys, either we can take 2 metros and then reach the destination. One of the metro stations is like right here. We don't have to walk. It's like right here, the next building. Or we walk for 5 minutes and take the Dhobi Ghat metro and take a direct train to the station where we take the cable car. So we are planning to head to we'll walk towards Dhobi Ghat and take that metro, so we don't have to change along with Anaya. So guys, we've reached the Dhobi Ghat metro station. So from here we will take a metro towards Harbour Front, and then from there we will take the cable car. This is for strollers and wheelchair. Yes, Anaya is almost asleep, so we want to cover and reach before she wakes up.
We are going to
Universal Studios. How excited are you?
Super excited.
Guys, we've reached Harbour Front metro station, and from here we have to go to Vivo City to take the cable car. It's called the Sentosa Express. Bolo boardwalk, Monopoly wala.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa.
So guys, we have reached Resort World Station where Oceanarium and Universal Studios are there, and we are almost there. I'm too excited for my baby. It's my second time here, so I'm going to be his personal guide. So guys, we took the monorail to Universal, and
Sentosa
it's $4 per person for a round trip. And yeah, Sentosa Island to be precise. Bad boys. Okay, I'm not gonna sing, guys. I'll get copyright. Guys, we're inside. It's like a world altogether of its own. Oh my god. Guys, when you come to Singapore, get this, especially in Universal Studios. It can get really hot. And we've come to the Lost World Jurassic Park because my husband is obsessed with T-Rex. कौन है भाई T-Rex? The Lost World Jurassic Park. Water World we can go. There's one water show that happens, but actually बहुत loud noise आएगा.
फुल पानी ही पानी आ रहा है.
Yeah. कैसा है? Would you sit on it? नहीं. Puss in Boots तो उस साइड चला गया.
Where are we going?
out your entry with this.
No, it's fine.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your tour. All of us at the Jurassic Park Rapid Adventure hope to see you again soon. And enjoy the rest of your day here.
Guys, so we are here waiting for a Bollywood show now, which is going to take place at 11:35 by Sesame Street. Yes?
I hope the sound is not too loud.
I hope so too, but it's okay. So we're excited and let me show you the setup. Guys, so we are here in the baby care center now to change Anaya's diaper. There is baby chair for kids to sit, toddlers. There's a changing station here which I love. Yeah, there's a dustbin, washing, hot water, cold water, and then a nursing area where we are going to nurse my little chicken nugget. Guys, Aniket is now changing diapers. So guys, we have come to the Mel's Drive-In for lunch. The seats here is giving me Riverdale vibes. The entire place is giving me Riverdale vibes. So we've ordered food and this will ring when the food is ready. We ordered a chicken burger, chicken nuggets and one ice cream and it costed us $34. So guys, we've ordered cotton candy in the shape of a flower now. So guys, this is for $7. No, sorry, $9. This is for you, my. So pretty, guys. Guys, we're in the world of Hershey's chocolates. Going crazy here. This is Hershey's and brown everywhere. Guys, we are now heading to Oceanarium, the newly renovated one. Guys, we are inside the Oceanarium and we bought the tickets here because we were not sure if we were going to make it. Guys, look at that. Oh my god. Guys, we are going back to our room now after a fun-filled day at Oceanarium and Universal Studios. Hi guys, so finally we are back from Universal Studios. Super tired. We walked almost 7 kilometers, which is almost 12,000 steps. I'm just packing some laundry for tomorrow. We have free laundry service. Every day 2 pieces of clothes, so super happy. So guys, some points to note for Universal Studios and Sentosa is you get a return ticket of the monorail, which is for $8, $4 per person, $8 for 2 people. You can carry your own snacks and food. We did that, so we saved some money. Though we had lunch there because we got hungry, but the snacks and juice we had carried. And you can download the Universal Studios app. So we downloaded that. It shows what show is there next and what time and where they will be performing. And there's the entire map and you can see everything, meet and greets, shows, rides, everything on the map. So it's amazing. Not many people know about this. So you can use the Universal Studios map. And the Oceanarium is right outside the Universal Studios. To be honest, we liked the oceanarium, just liked it very average because we are not big fans of fishes and which family they belong to and stuff like that. But apparently it's the biggest, one of the biggest aquariums or oceanariums, so we went there to see what the hype is all about. And the charge per ticket is $50, so we paid $100 for both of us, and it's free for infants. Obviously there are a lot of restaurants outside Universal as well, you can eat there. And one more thing is that once you enter Universal, and then if you exit, you can't come back in again no matter what. And at the entrance there's this huge baby care center which is amazing. There is diaper changing room, there's a nursing room, there's place for kids to sit. It's amazing. So that's that. And the best part is, if you've not carried a stroller, they give strollers on rent and many other things on rent. These huge strollers where like even 5 to 10-year-old kids can sit, so parents can just push and take them. $30 and $5 for rain cover as well. But we carried our own stroller and rain cover, so we saved that. But very, very baby friendly. So that's Universal Studios. We had an amazing time clicking pictures with all of the characters like Minions and the Gully Sim Sim, I think. I don't know what they call it in English. The Sesame Street. And we went to all the gift stores. Hello Kitty was my favorite, to be honest. So yeah, we booked our tickets through Klook. So we booked just the Universal Studio ticket because we were not sure if we'd get time for Oceanarium. You can book all of it online, so it's easier to just scan. But I think almost everyone does it online, so even ticketing counter was empty yesterday. So yeah, and we started very early. We reached there at 9:50. Universal Studio opens at 10. So yeah, it was, even though it was crowded, I never felt like there's a rush or people are pushing me or anything. It was just amazing. So if you have any doubts or questions, let me know in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram as well at The Arrival. So like, share, subscribe to my channel. I've got to go and meet my cute little patootie. Bye.